Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to delete or remove the Windows.old folder after a Windows upgrade in Windows 10, then either go to this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. In this article, scroll down to these command lines. The first command is the take on command, and we will have to open the command prompt window. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Now we'll copy the first command, which is the take on one, and this will help us take ownership of the Windows.old folder if we don't already have it. The second command is the cacls command. We will copy it and we will paste it and hit enter. It will ask for permission. We will say Y, which represents yes, and hit enter. Now in the last line, we will copy the rmdir command, and this will finally delete the Windows.old folder. Done. Isn't this easy? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club. Scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.